Hello travellers, today we're taking a look at the Spectrum Joggers from Western Rise. These are part of the new activewear line of clothing from Western Rise, and that also includes the movement shorts and the session tee, both of which I will be reviewing very soon, so please do subscribe if you're interested in seeing those. Let's start off with the sizings. They're available in sizes starting from small and all the way up to XXL. And I have the size small here in black and the size medium in blue-grey. And I really love this blue-grey color. For pants, I usually wear somewhere between a 30 and 31. However, from Western Rise's recent diversion pants, I wear this size 32. According to the website, the size small is equivalent to a size 30 and a medium is equivalent to a size 32. But these are very stretchy and they are quite a slim cut. As you can see in the side by side here, I feel that the small probably looks the best. And I posted a poll on Instagram and everyone who voted seemed to think that the small looked best as well. However, the medium size also does fit quite well, although it is a little boxy in the upper section. Whereas the small is quite nice in the upper section but a little tighter in the calf area. But because of the stretch material, it's not uncomfortable. As I said, the material is very stretchy and whatever size you get, they will feel very comfortable. There's a nice drawstring cord in the pants for a more secure fit too if you feel that they're too loose in the top block. These pants are 100% polyester made with a special warp knit technique, which gives them great unrestricted freedom of movement. They're also very breathable and moisture wicking and water resistant. All these properties make them really great for working out in. There's also some other neat features on these pants too. On the left side is a zippered pocket for a phone or wallet, and on the back is also a rear zippered pocket. The main pockets are quite deep and spacious, but I found that anything I put into those pockets kind of eventually tilted to the vertical angle and looked a bit weird. So anytime I wore these pants, I usually just put my phone into the zippered side pocket on the left. One thing I should point out as well is that the heat transfer logo started peeling off a few days after wear, and I've noticed this with a couple of Western Rise clothing. I kept finding little small letters all over my floor. It didn't affect the performance of the pants or anything, but it is something to note if you do use those printed labels. Overall, a really nice pair of activewear pants that have some great features and feel very durable and well made. The breathability and stretchiness of them make them great for working out in or even lounging around in. I found that they're probably not quite suited for colder climates because of the breathability. The wind does blow straight through them. Please leave a comment down below which of these pair of pants you think fit better or which color you preferred, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.